my partner, who'd been with the firm, providing and working as an independent investment advisor, they were with Schwab and used the proprietary application that Schwab provided. And we knew that we were going to be with Schwab, but didn't want to limit ourselves with one custodian. We wanted the ability to be with multiple custodians. And so we began to search for those who could, provide an interface with multiple custodians. So when we came across IAS, we were very impressed with that, first and foremost, that we would not be tied down to just one custodian. And then we were very impressed when we saw the other modules that were part of it and how efficient they were, in the transactions, the accumulation, calculating the performance, and the reports were very impressive. And so we made the decision to go with IAS from the beginning. The biggest point for us is to be able to pull data from multiple custodians and report it in aggregate. We're a small firm and our focus needs to be outward, not inward, on back office. And so we needed a system that was fully integrated, that had the asset management, the financial planning, and the tax planning, which is a big part of our practice as well, that all worked together so that we're not duplicating data entry, running various software applications, and that frees us up, to get out there and do the work we need to do. Additionally, there's a lot of efficiencies that IAS brings in that we're totally paperless. We scan all of our documents, and we keep those electronically in IAS. I don't have to worry about backups. I don't have to worry about disaster recovery. All the documents are there. From a compliance standpoint, from a compliance standpoint, from client satisfaction, there are any documents, their trust agreements, their wills, their tax reports, insurance documents, all the reports we prepare. We can post them all there. We have access to them, and the clients have access to them as well. We looked at one product. It was really pushed to us by a custodian, but in the end, what they failed to provide would have been the detailed financial planning. Sure, they had the portfolio side of it well done, and the reports were decent, but there's no integration to the financial planning, no tax planning, and that's an integral part of what we do.
Right.
To be an independent, you need the flexibility to change custodians. And so I think that needs to be the first consideration that any independent investment advisor needs to make. That decision is, are you going to lock yourself in with one custodian? Are you going to choose an application that will allow you to work with any or all of them? Our clients and prospective clients come to our website, our corporate website, and from there is the client login, and it seamlessly delivers them the information we wish to provide them. And when they exit the portal, they're right back to our website. So from a firm standpoint, for us at SKadvisors, that's a huge advantage. The appearance there, to our clients is that we have all this back office, processes and systems and servers and networks in place to push all that information to them, when really it's simply IAS.
Right.